The battery on my trusty Casio W-217H was already weak. You can see it from the very low backlight brightness. So it's time to change the battery. Here I have a replacement battery CR2016. First, open the screws on the back. Then remove the back plate and place it somewhere safe. Now open the battery holder cover. You can use a small pointy object to lift this tab. Then take out the old battery. This old one is a Panasonic CR2016. The new one I use is the same brand and the same type. But anyway, you can use another brand. Make sure the type is CR2016 and from a trusted source to avoid fake batteries. Now place the new battery in. I'm using my finger here, which is not ideal honestly. Then close the battery tab. Now do an AC reset. Connect the AC point to the battery contact using the back plate. Before closing everything, it's actually a good time to check the buttons and the backlight. Now check the gasket. It still looks good, so I just re-oil it. Put the gasket back and make sure the position is correct. Then put the back plate on, make sure the orientation is correct. Again with the screws. And now set the time and date. And we're done. Here is the result. The backlight is back to normal. That's all for now. Hopefully this video is useful. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Have a great day.